Welcome home to this beautiful, like new modern style home built in 2021. Offering 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, this all-electric home features a desirable open-concept floor plan designed for comfortable everyday living and easy entertaining. The spacious kitchen includes matching appliances, ample cabinetry, and flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas. Situated on a corner lot in the peaceful small town of Laclede, Missouri, this property offers the perfect blend of modern convenience and small-town charm. Enjoy the rich history of being in the hometown of General John J. Pershing, one of America's most celebrated military leaders. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the close proximity to Pershing State Park, offering opportunities for fishing, hiking, wildlife viewing, and recreation. Whether you're looking for